In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a board on Monday.com. If you're working within a team or managing one, adding members to your Monday.com boards can optimize collaboration, streamline workflows, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Whether you're a project manager, a team lead, or simply assigned the task of onboarding new members, this video will guide you through the process seamlessly. Firstly, let's navigate to Monday.com "S" homepage. It's where all your boards and projects live. Once there, look for the invite icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This little plus sign next to a silhouette is your gateway to bringing new people into your workspace. After clicking on the invite icon, a window will pop up prompting you to type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. Make sure you enter the correct email address to ensure your invite reaches the right person. This part is crucial for keeping your workflow secure and efficient by only including those who are essential to the project. Now, this is where you make an important decision, defining the role of the new invitee. You can choose between adding them as a member or a viewer. Let me explain the difference. Opting for member grants the invitee more active roles within the board. They can create, edit, and move items around, making them a crucial part of the decision-making process. On the other hand, selecting viewer assigns a more passive role. Viewers can see everything happening on the board but cannot make changes. This role is perfect for stakeholders or clients who need to stay informed about the project's progress without directly interfering with the workflow. After you've selected the appropriate role, all that's left to do is click on Invite. This button confirms your selections and sends an invitation to the email address you've entered. Once the invitee accepts, they're instantly added to your Monday.com board, ready to collaborate and contribute. Let's dive a bit deeper into some of the finer points of this procedure. First, why is it important to carefully choose between a member and a viewer? Your decision directly impacts how your team operates. Including too many members on a board can sometimes lead to too many cooks in the kitchen, causing confusion and inefficiency. Similarly, assigning someone as a viewer when they actually need to participate actively can hold up the project. Always consider the individual's role and responsibilities within the project before deciding. Another tip is to make the most out of Monday.com "S" notification settings once you've invited your team members. Keeping everyone informed with real-time updates helps in maintaining momentum and ensures no one misses out on critical information. Remember, clarity is key when you're working in a team. Before you hit that invite button, consider sending a quick message to the individual you're inviting, giving them a heads up about what to expect. This preemptive communication can help smooth their entry into the team and set clear expectations right from the start. In summary, inviting someone to a Monday.com board is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your project's success. By selecting the invite icon, entering an email address, choosing the appropriate role, and clicking invite, you can easily expand your team and enhance collaboration on your projects. Just remember to consider the role carefully and communicate effectively to ensure everyone is aligned and ready to contribute. That's all for today's tutorial on how to invite someone to a board on Monday.com. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your project management skills, mastering these basics is a step in the right direction towards a more organized and efficient workspace. Happy collaborating!